Hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And Dino, too. I'm just tired. It's been a long evening. I've been trying to do a counterpoint to HC's wonderful complacency on food. And it's part of my camp food bit, but I'm tired, so I'm going to just do a simple one. This one is for Prepforit. Now, a lot of you young preppers asking me, Uncle Al, you're an old, cranky old survivalist. What kind of secrets can we learn from you? Well, kids, grab your pencils and papers, boys and girls out there. Uncle Al, I'm old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. Just like and support if you can. I really hate the AI. It really screws me up. A lot of my friends got zapped. Their channels are gone, and it's part you know, of YouTube's evil agenda. But enough about that. Now, here's Uncle Al's trade secrets. Okay, this is for Uncle Al's secrets for Prepforit. Okay, you want a bulk bag, type you use for vacation. You can pick up either at a nice cheap boutique. I got mine at it's a used Arizona bag. I got this one from a thrift store, but you could get them at arts and crafts stores and design whatever you like. Okay, just simple bag has two big pockets. On the outside has big inside stuff. Let's pull some stuff out. Put it over here because I have a bunch of stuff that I put in. Okay, first thing for a go bag or a bolt bag, I prefer the word bolt because you're getting out of someplace really fast and doesn't look anything particularly interesting. Has a nice carry handle, has backpack straps so you can put it on. And I have a few tricks that I don't tell, but won't be in this section. You have to know me personally before I let you know those. Okay? First thing, you got to have a bag, small and plain, nothing tactical, nothing special. If you see this bag, you think it's a book bag. Okay? You want a change of clothes, daily wear, or seasonal, like rain gear. Okay? Waterproof map of the area. Two energy bars, we can see that. Gotta hate my lighting, can't see too well. Okay, a meal ready to eat or something you can cook later. Water bottle, hygiene, probably wide mouth. Whoops, I got one right here, wide mouth and hygiene. A middle cup that fits on the bottom. Okay, extra batteries. Now let's see where grab that. I have triple A's. These all goes to my equipment I use, which is two kinds of flashlights. A tourniquet, a good one. Extra cell phone. Now, you want, sorry, not a smartphone, but a burner. God, that hurts. Okay. You want a pressure bandage, a tampon, which is a pad, medical shears. Okay. On light source. Okay. I have two of them. I have this one, handheld, looks like a regular flashlight. Bright, works charm. Okay. And secondly, I want a headlamp, also bright, and comes in two different settings. So I could use that. They both take AA batteries. Reason why you want that into your bolt bag. Okay. This is not a bug out bag. My bug out bag's way heavier and similar to this. Okay. And that's one of my secrets, and I'm going to tell you, you should read this book. But a lot of people don't listen to Uncle Alan or watch his videos. So they're going to die horribly. Sorry. Okay, you want a handheld GPS. Okay, not your cell phone, one that works separate off than smartphones. Okay, a handheld GPS that uses AAA batteries. A multi-tool. I would show you my fancy multi-tool, but guess what? My grandnephews took it. Kids, okay, you want a burner credit card. Credit card with maximum about $5,000 on it. This is not to be used for anything else. This is a card that you maintain and keep an eye on. Now, I had several cards over the years that I tuck away in the bag. You want cash and small bills, a mix of 20s, hundreds, uh, dollar bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, small amount. U.S. currency. If you're in Canada, Canadian currency. Okay, let me put the book away. That's the normal stuff. Now on food, because it's a bulk bag, you'll have 2 of these Cliff Bars. Always like some kind of beef jerky. I like pepperoni a lot. And I will have something like a noodle. Cores make excellent pasta sides or rice sides or soup sides. I'll carry one of these. This is where the metal cup comes in. Now back to the water bottle. Okay. Inside one of my tricks is I'll have a long handle metal spoon for 2 reasons. That's going to hurt somebody's eye, or I can eat and cook with it. Now, let's see. I got too many tricks. Now, with the water bottle, you should have some iodine tablets or a water filter kit. Okay, water filter tablets that goes in there. Keep it simple, kids. You don't want anything fancy. If you can't get a long handle metal spoon, I got this at the thrift shop for 25 cents. You want to get a regular spoon, okay? 25 cents also. Let's see. With your, let's see, I forget where I put it. With your flashlights, you want a glow stick, okay? A good one. Don't get the party favor types. You want an outdoor type. This will burn 8 hours orange. It's illumination stick. This is really good. Also bright. Reason why? It's a marking point. At night, if you're lost and they're looking for you, you can stick this up a tree. They'll spot this. A lot of people don't know that trick. God learns this stuff, okay? Yeah, let's see. Yeah. I should use it, but anyway, that'll be another video. Okay, you should have one of these available. Okay, some places they don't allow it, and your Leatherman will have a knife blade on it. But I like these just in case. This is why Uncle Alan's old and still around. Another trick I do is you get these $2.95 at the airport or supermarket emergency rain ponchos. Okay, it's clear plastic. On the other side, I got a $1 foil space blanket. Now, if it's in the rain, that'll work fine. Okay, nobody notices. Works great. I'm dry. Also, with some string, I can make a fairly nice lean-to or tent. And the space blanket will keep the heat in. It's better than nothing, kids. Now, if you're like Uncle Alan and you know people that don't have money and can't afford $2.99 or $1 for a space blanket, you can get construction bags. These are two 55-gallon drum construction bags with a rubber band. They could be a poncho, they could be a tent. If you have duct tape, you make a nice waterproof shelter or a really crummy sleeping bag. Okay, I think that's about it, kids. Uncle Al's a little bit tired, so we're going to keep this short. Now, you remember what I told you on the list. I hope you have written all this down because I ain't going to repeat it. I'm tired and old. Okay, Prepforit. This video is for you. That's one of my secrets. Bethany Myers, Liberty Garden, Harshman Hills, Cindy John, Corsair Trainers. Go check out Corsair Trainers. He has a nice version of this called Go Bag. Works fine. But Uncle Alan has other tricks in his Go Bag. So my Go Bag's designed for me, and two, I have 3 or 4 of these things. So if I need to, I'll toss it. Okay? Only certain things will be on me. That could be tossed away. Okay? I don't need all this stuff right here. I'll keep 1 or 2 pieces, but everything gets tossed away or thrown into the trash. But like I said, I only need a few stuff because Uncle Alan already did it. Okay? Cindy John, LS, Daisy, Diane SFA, Jeff Nolte, Kentucky Survival, Try and Survive, Gray Men Outdoors, Tibor 100. Let's see, I can't see. This is what happens when your eyesight flickers and you can't see too good. Jet 100. Yeah. Jet 001. Got you covered. Savage Survival. Hope your dad's better. Native Tears. Kill Deer Season. Revolting Man. DIY Solar Homes Homestead. Small Southern Housewife. Raw Painless. Mother in the Wild. Simple as pie, kids. Not hard, easy to do, and my bag will do any place. A few things I might hide or dicker away because a lot of countries in third worlds don't like these. Excuse me. So that's it, kids. I'll catch you later. Yeah, and Dino too. Be sure to check out Will Russell's Just in Time Prepping. Got you covered, Will. I got your back. Bye, kids.